All right, our vocabulary, we're going to place the X over the puzzle piece that has integers not in the correct order of least to greatest. Least to greatest, so smallest to biggest. Let's see. So, -5, that is going to be over on the left-hand side of a number line. -4, yep, and then -3, we're getting closer and closer to 0. So this is going to be correct. I'll star it. -3, then -2, then -1. Yep, that's going to be least to greatest there. -5, and then -3, and then -1. Yep, we're going to start all the way towards on the left of 0, getting closer to 0 as we go. And -3, -4, -5. Oh no, so we're starting -3. If I have a number line. Here's 0, here's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If I start on this number line, -3, okay, and then -4, okay, we're getting smaller, uh-oh, and then -5, uh-oh, we got smaller. So we are going to place that X over this bottom right corner one because we're getting smaller. That's not going from least to greatest, that's going from greatest to least. And that's going to be it for our vocab. Great job.